In academic essay development, there are several modal methods. We will look now at the compare-contrast method. To compare something is to find out what's alike about two or more things. To contrast two or more things, you list the things that are different. These are of objects and subjects. A class is a group. Example, Jobs working at Hardee's or McDonald's are siblings, brother, sister, when you're getting ready to compare or contrast something. Then you have the basis of comparison. Examples of these are for the jobs. Would you be comparing salaries, benefits, driving distance, bosses, stress level, or environment? Use a minimum of 3. If you were comparing siblings, you could use appearance, personality, career goals, lifestyle, or motivation, using 3 of those. In a compare-contrast essay, you have 3 different types of arrangements you can use for your essay. One would be point by point, which means that the essay is organized around the basis of comparison and moves back and forth between the objects or subjects being compared. If you're doing subject by subject, it would be organized around the subject or objects. And if you're doing it by content, you use this best when discussing both similarities and differences of an object or a person, organized around the similarities and the differences. Step 1 in a compare-contrast essay would be to identify the class of subjects, objects, or topics that you're going to be comparing. Step 2 is to identify the basis or the points of comparison. Step 3 is to determine whether you're going to compare, contrast, or both. And step 4 is use the information to determine the arrangement, if it would fit better in a point by point, subject by subject, or content format. An example, compare or contrast 2 friends, Mary and Jane. The class is friends. The basis for comparison is appearance, motivation, and career plans. In the point by point, you would use appearance, Mary, and then Jane. Motivation, Mary, and then Jane. Career plans, Mary, and then Jane. If you're using subject by subject, you would say Mary has this appearance, is motivated this way, and is planning this career. Then Jane has this appearance, is motivated this way, and is planning this career. If you're going to organize it by content, you would put the likenesses first. How are they alike? In appearance, both are alike. In career plans, they're both alike. Differences, though, they are motivated differently. A sample thesis statement. In examining 2 friends, Mary and Jane, it is easy to see they are alike or different in appearance, motivation, and career goals. In the content one, in examining 2 friends, Mary and Jane, it is easy to see they are alike in appearance and career goals, but they are different in their motivation. Now, if you will click on the link at the bottom, you will download the worksheet to help you understand what you've just learned.